We are at the Residence Inn in Chapel Hill, getting ready to get Britton. Hey, Britton! Here Britton is. Coming back from the beach, stopping in Chapel Hill, just waking up for his nap. From his nap. What do you think, Britton?
Are you ready to get up?
He's all fired up and ready to start playing. You want to go to the pool?
Did you have a pool? Did you have a good rest? You want to go pool? We gotta get baby suit on. We gotta go pool.
Yeah, because we love the pool.